Pet animal's name. Pet animals or domestic animals are the ones that can be raised or petted by human beings. These animals can live in home environment without any difficulty. Some domestic animals are trained for specific tasks such as buffalo for transportation. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Ox, O-X, ox. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. Thank you for watching.